Look at all that goo in there, that chocolate. We've got a nice crusty top. We've got all that soft, squidgy, gooey chocolateness in there. That is superb. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making brownies. Everybody knows how to make a brownie, don't they? These brownies are rich, they're fudgy, they're dense, they're moist, they're packed with chocolate flavour. Come on, let's do it. On here, an 8x8 tin. I've lined it with parchment paper. So it's an 8x8 or 20 by 20 centimetre tin. Straightforward square tin for this one. Lined with parchment. Melted butter and semi-melted chocolate. Our butter. This is soy lecithin powder in there. Dissolve it in with your butter. Full explanation of what this is going to do in the description with the ingredients as usual. Okay, we want to be combining that with that chocolate. Now you can melt this up any which way you want. I've just had it stood over a bowl of boiling water with a lid over it, a pan actually, just to help it on its way, just to melt it all in there. There's our fantastic chocolate mix there, one side. Now they say sieve your flour and your cocoa powder, so I'm going to chuck that on there. This is baking powder and salt. I'm just going to give that a little stir through and then we're going to sieve it. I'm just going to sieve it into there, look. There you go, our sieve flour, cocoa, salt, baking powder. One side. Make sure your oven's on 175, 180, somewhere around about there. Eggs in there. Sugars in there. So it's a case of blend that up about 2 minutes. While we're going on there and I'm looking at it, in there with some vanilla. Okay, I'll just turn this off a minute so you can hear me. What we have to do is tip our butter chocolate mixture into there, continually mixing. Slowly. And then we are going to fold in our dry. So put some in there and let's fold that in. In there with the rest of that. There you go, look at that for a stodgy thick mix. Perfect. Our tin lined in there. Our super duper mix. Now what they say is smooth it out. That'll do for me. Whack that in the oven. In the oven 25-30 minutes. Okay, we're out. There you go. Now this thing should have slight chocolatey on the stick. That looks tremendous. Okay, we just gotta let it go cold. Okay, I've got some dry roasted almonds here. We're just gonna put a couple of almond flakes over there. So you thought it was imperfections, now it looks perfection. Still going to let that cool down and then we're going to cut it up. Come on, I think we can get this on here. Crunch down the outside and soft and squidgy on the inside. Come on. Look at that goo there. That is a proper gooey chocolate brownie. You've got a bit of a crusty top and you've got all that goo in there. Look at that. Come on, we're in. Look at this. Let's get rid of those nuts. Look how gooey that is. Look at that for chocolate goo in there. That is incredible. Oh man, that is ridiculously gooey. Look at all that goo in there, that chocolate. We've got a nice crusty top. We've got all that soft, squidgy, gooey chocolateness in there. That is superb. Wow. That is fudgy, it's chocolatey, it's very moist, got a crunch on the top. It is a fantastic brownie. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make a really stodgy, fudgy, chocolatey brownie with a little bit of a crunch on the top. So easy. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. The crust is a little bit crunchy on the outside but very chewy under. It's delicious.